welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be planning with you my week of the 20th of July 2020 to the 26th of July 2020, and this week was full on, to be honest, and but we're gonna get through it. So I'm using this kit from Planner Choco. It's called Winter Chill, and these are your full boxes. That's the second page of the kit, which is your functional and icons. Then you have another full box here, as well as your washi strips, date covers, and your washi, your bottom washi. Then you have your half boxes, quarter boxes, labels, habit trackers, and weekend banner. And you also get these little icons. So you have the work labels, some bows, flags, and a movie marquee. So that's the base. I will be using Girl Boss on a confetti washi overlay across the spread, and these are perforated overlay tapes. And I will also be using Simply Gilded Stardust in some capacity on my sidebar. Aside from that, I will also be using some leftover stickers that I have on this little sticker album, and a lot of shops like Tickle Pink Planning, Planning Like a Pro, and other shops that I have on my stash. So without further ado, let's get to it. After I white out my sidebar, is put down the washi that comes with the kit, as well as use a Stardust washi from Simply Gilded. And the reason I'm using the Stardust is because I never use my Stardust, so it's time to start using them. And I think this one fits perfectly with this kit. Although it has gold, I didn't have one that had only silver, so I used the mixed metal on this occasion. My date covers with my rose color date dots, as well as all of my boxes, my full boxes. I start with the double box on the weekend because that's what I usually do, and I put it down at the bottom because I had a lot on that weekend. Once all of my full boxes are down into the respective days, then I start planning my week from Monday onwards. So let's see how that goes. The first sticker I put down is the Coffee Monday from the kit, and then I put a label from the kit, and that marks down my work, and a laptop icon from Planning Like a Pro. I'm working from home, so that's it. I put a half box with a Planet Beautiful Girl to mark down that I needed to do some cleaning, and that entitles dishes and vacuum the house. I also marked down that I had to clean the litter trays with a little paw icon from the kit. And finally, my Monday ended with me putting down a half box and a little laptop to mark down that I wanted to edit a haul and take some pictures. And the little laptop icon is from a shop called Tasseled Planner, which is unfortunately closed, but I used to love that shop. So I have a ton of icons from that shop. So apologies if it's closed, but can't help you with that. On the Tuesday, I put down again the label from the kit and a laptop from Planning Like a Pro to mark down that I had work. I also put down a flag with a little clock to mark down that I had IT issues all day that day. It was not fun. I put down a half box to mark down that I wanted to post my spread on Instagram as well as Facebook, the previous one from this Plan With Me. I also put down this little flower from Marshmallow Studio to mark down that I wanted to water my plants, and that's how I use leftover stickers. So if it matches a certain spread, I just put down the sticker, and I think it looked really nice. I also put down a label from the kit, and I marked down that I had some happy mail that day, which was some washi that I ordered from AliExpress. But I marked it down with a very, very pretty girl from Tickled Pink Planning. It's one of my favorite ways of marking down washi days or washi Wednesdays or happy mail that relates to washi. And it's one of my favorite little icons. Moving on to Wednesday. On Wednesday, what I've done on Wednesday? Wednesday, I've worked again, worked from home, so the label from the kit came into play, and the laptop from Planning Like a Pro again, all in silver foil. I put down a half box, and that's Wednesday are the days that I usually upload my whole videos on YouTube, so I marked that down that I needed to upload the whole and promote it on my social media, and I marked it with a half box and a little laptop icon from the kit. After that, again, I'm using Tasseled Planner with a little grocery cart to mark down that I needed to do some grocery shopping. After that, I marked down with a quarter box and the icon from the kit that it was bin night. Every Wednesday is my bin night. And finally, I put down a flag from the kit with a little bow on that sampler that I mentioned previously on the beginning of the video, that I needed to call my mom. I also call my mom every Wednesdays and Sundays because she's back in Brazil and I need to talk to mom. Moving on to Thursday, I put down my work from home once more, same thing as previous, and that Thursday specifically, it was payday. So what I've done, I've put down a flag from the kit with the little money icon, I think that's what it's called, and the script that came on the kit that you can barely see on the video, to mark down that it was payday. Because the colors are very subtle, some of them don't show very well on camera or when you're photographing, so I do apologize for that. On that Thursday, I also had a nail appointment, so I marked it down with a label, as well as a little nail polish icon from the kit. And that was a good Thursday because I received a ton of happy mail that I marked it down with a half box, as well as an icon from Fox and Cactus, a cat laying down on a bunch of happy mail. And that was me. I had a lot to unbox and enjoy. I also my in-laws were coming to town that weekend, so I put down 2 asterisks from the kit, and I marked down that I needed to prep the guest bedroom, as well as make some safety measures for my pets, because they have a dog that does not like cats. So we had to do a bit of a shuffling around the house. On a Friday, I marked down that it was Friday with a script from Van Sticky, and I used 2 little hearts from the kit as a decoration on the Friday because I just had to. Then I marked down that it was work day again. I once more worked from home. I usually go to the office once every 2 weeks, probably not even that, moving forward. I've marked down water plants again with that leftover sticker from a kit from Marshmallow Studio. I also marked down that I needed fresh bed sheets. I just wanted to sleep in well that day, so I changed the bed sheets, and I marked it down with a little icon from Planet Beautiful. Finally, I marked down when my in-laws arrived, which was around about 2. I marked it with a half box and a little bow clip from the kit. And to minimize the awkward white space that I have at the bottom, because I didn't do much afterwards, I just used a strip of washi from the Planner Choco kit. And that was my Friday. On the Saturday, I did some grocery shopping with the in-laws. I did some laundry, and I marked down the laundry with a script from Marshmallow Studio, as well as an icon from the kit. Again, the grocery shopping icon is from Tasseled Planner. Then it was family time and baking. I marked it down with a half box and a little TV icon that we had watched TV together. And after everyone went to bed, my husband was working night shift, so I was alone with the in-laws. So I just made sure that I watched the movie, and I used the movie marquee that came on the sampler to mark down that I watched Dark Phoenix. But I also marked down that I had takeout that night. I usually don't get takeout, but because they were in-house, because the in-laws were visiting, and I didn't prep anything that day, we just got takeout. They usually don't come often, so we just got takeout. On the Sunday, they went away on the Sunday, and on the Sunday morning, yeah. And then I did some cleaning. I put down a strip of washi from the kitchen. The cleaning script is from Marshmallow Studio. I put down a half box to mark down all of the things that I wanted to clean. So I mopped, I vacuumed, and I cleaned the fridge. I also used Planet Beautiful on 2 occasions on Sunday. One to mark down that I wanted to bake some cookies, and one with a quarter box from the box to mark down that I needed to fold my clothes. And finally, I put down the planner icon from the kit and marked down that I needed to do some prep for next week, which I honestly just did that because it was I was so tired, and I just couldn't film anything. I just needed to prep for the following week and do some game planning to actually have some time on the following weekend to film this video for you guys.
And that's it, everyone. The cat has taken over the shot, so it's really hard to show the spread, but I'll try not to disturb this little one because she really wanted to participate on this plan with me today. And now she's just going away because I just said that she wanted to participate. So anyway, this is the spread, and I think it looks amazing. I just put down, as you've seen, some foil from overlay from Girl Boss Anna, and it looks really nice. I really love how this looks, and this is the second half. It's very me. I cannot say anything else. I'm really happy with it. I really enjoyed playing. I really enjoyed putting down stickers, and I think I did a very good job. So that is all for today. I will come back on Wednesday with a haul, and on Saturday with another Saturday or Sunday with another plan with me. So you have a lovely day, whatever blur day is that you are watching this on. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I'll be responding it as soon as I can. Just remember, stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands, and have a wonderful whatever day it is for you. Love you, lottles. Bye.